Kia to katoa e rutu te ara, o Newman Thomas te aro atu nei ko tui te ara no tokoro atu nei kia ora nei te ara to Aitutakian rarotonga tuko ke are ni katoa to nutini nei Aussie and around the world kia ora nei rutu te ara. Rutu te ara, monoko ia, I'm gonna make another video. About a few months ago I made a video no runga I te manga numero tai I te akarakara kai mama ia. Kai mama me pana te mara mama. So tiara tora make another video. The title of the video ko e te voice, the voice if you want to learn how to speak Kukalan, even the girls, if you want to learn how to speak Kukalan, this is the best way. Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys some of the Kukalan words and along the way. So watch out for some people when they say the words like kiri. That's not a tire for your motorbike. That means something else. Okay, even some other Kukalan words. So rule number 1: don't listen to your own cousins if they teach you some of the Kukalan words. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys some of the words for Kukalan today. So tiara, I'm gonna be cooking again to the mga native boys si tiara wa wakaki mga identity boys si tiara. So I'm gonna speak in Kukalan and or in English, and I'm gonna translate. Okay, so first one is so the manga tunune the boys. So as you guys can see, there's corned beef, there's spinach, there's garlic, there's onion, there's coconut cream, there's potatoes, there's some garlic, some salt. So I'm gonna make about 4 of these. So and the rest is for me. So this is my little family. Say hello.
Hi.
Hello. This is my
Daddy.
Hello, my son.
Daddy.
So this is our little lounge. The wife is just chilling out and watching some
my TV series.
The TV series. Okay, mea tui te tokorua e kia ngaru e te tunu manga te ara, kaki manga aere no ki te puisi. Okay, so these are this is the best way of learning the Kukalan word, the Kukalan language. Is by cooking. So as you cook food, you're gonna learn some words. Okay, first one, potatoes. Okay, in the Kukalan that's called pitete. Okay, so potatoes in Aitutaki is called pitete. Okay, so the second one is corned beef. Okay, that's corned beef there. In Aitutaki we call it punnu pu'atoro. Okay, punnu pu'atoro. So punnu means it's a tin or can, and the pu'atoro means it's a beef or cow. So can of cow. Okay, the next one is coconut cream. Okay, coconut cream. In Aitutaki we call it punnu akari. Okay, akari is the coconut, and the tin or the can is punnu. So tin of corned beef is punnu, pu'atoro. Tin of coconut cream is akari, punnu akari. Okay, so the next one is onion, tomate. Okay, so onion in Kukalan is onyani, and also the tomato, or some people say tomato. It is tomat. Okay, so tomato is tomat. So the next one is me and the wife, we like Himalayan pink salt. You translate what Himalayan means in your own words, but we don't have that. But salt in Kukalan is miti. Okay, miti. Tā miti miti te manga. So adding salt to your food. And I think the last one is garlic. Because garlic is not in the Cook Island, I don't know, make up your own translation for garlic if it's kariki. Or, whatever. Okay, so, I'm just putting all these together. They're in that foil. So basically put everything together in the foil. And then just put it into the oven for, depending how thick the foil is, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours. So, just add foil. Then what I normally do is add the spinach. What's spinach? What's spinach in Aitutaki? It is pinapi. Okay, pinapi. Pinapi. Okay, so those are the main ones. So what I do is I put two layers of foil. I'll put it in here, and then I'll add the pinapi. Okay, I add the pinapi, and I add the pitete, which is the potato, and I add the karik, or kariki, or whatever you want it to call. The punupu atoro, which is the corned beef, the punu akari, which is the coconut cream, and I add the onioni and the tomats, and add a bit of salt. Oh, and lastly, half a cup of water. If you want to add that in. So with the video there, hopefully everyone is having a good day. Kia manuia tātou I roto I te ara. Take care everyone. Hope you are all having a great day today. Ka kite from Newman e tako Tokoroa, Tamata Mates, all the way from Tokoroa. See ya!